Dear students, welcome back in your online class. Today I am going to explain chapter 7 and the title of chapter 7 is tenses. Okay, in this video I will cover exercise A and B. So let's start now. There are some statements. Last year Dad took us to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. And my mother plans to take us to Hyderabad to see the Charminar this year. My father has taken me twice to see Fatehpur Sikri. It is a beautiful place. I wonder where Dad will take us next year. Mom wants to show us all the historical places of India. Perhaps we can ask her to take us there next year. Discuss with your partners which of these statements talk about the past, which about the present, and which the future. As you all know, in present tense you will use only verb first form, and for past always we will use verb second form, and for future you will use will plus verb first form. It is clear? Okay, so now you can check here. Last year Dad took. Took is the second form of verb take. So this is for past tense. My mother plans. According to the rules in this sentence, my mother is a singular subject. So we use here verb with s or es. So this is for present. And next, my father has then me twice to see Fatehpur Sikri. It is a beautiful place. Also present perfect tense. I wonder where Dad will is used here. So this is for future tense. Next, verb with as means present tense. Okay. So next, the tense of a verb tell us when the action is, was or will we carried out. Is, was, present, past and future. Present is, past was and future will. Okay. See the present tense. Present tense refers to action that are happening in the present time. A verb used to show that an action takes place at present is said to be in the present tense. Okay. For example, grandmother visits us every Sunday. She reads out stories to us. We love to have her with us. You can see in these examples, if subject is singular, then we use verb plus s or es, first form. But in case when subject is plural, then you will use only verb first form. As you can see in this example, C, singular subject, grandmother, singular subject, so verb with s. But we, plural subject, so verb without s. Okay. The simple present tense is used to express a habitual action, to express general truths, means जो हमारा God gifted है. In exclamatory sentence beginning with here and there to express an action that is actually taking place in the present. To talk about a future event that is the part of a fixed timetable. Come on the next page. The present continuous tense is used to express an action that is still going on, जो चल रहा है अभी तक. Okay. Verb that end in a silent drop e when ing is adding to them. Whiting means जहाँ पर लास्ट में बेटा ई होगा, then when you will convert it in ing form, so you will remove e and replace with I. Forgive, forgiving. The last letter of some verbs is double when ing is added. Forget, forgetting. Run, running. For verbs ending in ie, the ie changes to y when ing is added. अगर किसी वर्ड्स के लास्ट में ie आ रहा है और हमको उसको ing फॉर्म में करना है, then we will remove ie and replace with by. तो उसको ie को हम हटा देंगे और by से उसको राइट कर देंगे पूरा. ओके. नाउ एक्सरसाइज ए. Fill in the blanks with the correct verbs. Choose from the box. And your options are croak, is, brush, writes, plays, chirp, combines, moves, are, look, keeps, rise, has, reflects, leave, walks, is. Okay, so let's start now. First already have done, and second is we our teeth after dinner, eat them clean. So for teeth you will brush. So we brush our teeth, it keeps them clean. It keeps them clean. It is clear? Okay, next is Salim for school every day at 7 a.m. means leaves. Leaves, because Salim is singular subject, so you will write here Salim, leaves. Next, the sun rises, rises, निकलता है at 5 a.m. these days, the days are getting longer, मतलब दिन बड़े हो रहे हैं. And next point is the tiger. Tiger is a singular subject, so you will use here singular verb is. Okay, is endangered animal. There are only 1410 tigers left. Okay, endangered का मतलब होता है बेटा जो लुप्त हो रहे हैं, खत्म हो रही प्रजाति. Vikram Seth, poetry, fictions and travel longs. So you will fill here writes. Again singular subject, so you will write verb with s or es. And next is Saina Mirza, tennis. So Saina Mirza plays. Again singular subject, so you will write here plays. Saina Mirza plays tennis. She plays both single and doubles. Okay. Next point is frogs and words. So frogs, croak. You know the sound of frogs, CROAK, and the sound of bird, chirp, CHIRP. It is clear? Next, please, for my red shirt, I can't find it. So please look for my red shirt. कृपया मेरी रेड शर्ट ढूंढ दीजिए, मुझे वो नहीं मिली. And point number 10 is the gardener. The lawn once a week mows, MOWS. And next, the moon, the light of the sun reflects, REFLECTS, reflects. The Times of India, a national newspaper. So Times of India is a singular subject. We will use here singular verb is. The Times of India is a national newspaper. Next point number 13, the UN headquarters in Geneva. You can see here headquarters, not quarter only. So you will use here plural verb are. It is clear now, everyone? And come on the next page, point number 14, Maya, a pet dog, its name is Lily. You will fill here has. You will fill here has. This book, project and activities. You have the option combines, COMBINES. Like this step, your exercise A is completed. Now exercise B, refer to the table and fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb like. You can see here, this is a table. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर कि टेबल बनी हुई है ना. There are some items also, dosa, ice cream, chocolate, salad, fruit, rajma rice, and some names, Navjot, Mary, Narayan, Sahid, and Sanaya. Okay, so means Navjot cross dosa means he does not like dosa or ice cream, but he likes chocolate, salad, fruit, and rajma rice. Like this type you will create the sentence. So let's start now. Point number, next name is Mary. So you can watch the table of Mary. Check the Mary table. सबसे पहले Mary की table को check करेंगे. What she like or she does not like. Okay. You can see here in this table Mary like dosa, ice cream, है ना? And dosa, ice cream, chocolates. But she does not like salad, fruit, and rajma. So I will write down here. Mary likes डोसा, आइसक्रीम and chocolates. Okay, full stop. And you can write here she does not like. This is the like, and she does not like. She does not like fruit salad and rajma rice. It is clear? Does not like, you can write the name salad, fruit and rajma rice. Okay, write down here salad, fruit and rajma rice, like this type. Next name is Narayan. You can watch the table. Narayan likes ice cream, salad, fruit and rajma rice. So start to write here Narayan likes. अब आप यहाँ पर उसके सारे आइटम्स राइट कर देंगे जो उसको लाइक्स हैं. नारायण लाइक्स आइसक्रीम, सैलेड, फ्रूट, राजमा राइस, फुल स्टॉप. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, ही डज नॉट लाइक. तो ही डज नॉट लाइक डोसा, चॉकलेट्स. ओके, लाइक दिस टाइप. एंड नेक्स्ट नेम इज साहिद. वॉच द टेबल. साहिद लाइक्स डोसा and salad, fruit, and he does not like ice cream, chocolate and rajma rice. Very simple. So start to write here. Sahid likes dosa and salad and fruit. Full stops. He does not like ice cream, chocolates and rajma rice. Same. Sanaya, check the table. Sanaya likes ice cream, chocolate and fruits. So you will write here Sanaya likes ice cream, chocolates and fruits. Next sentence, she does not like dosa, salad and rajma rice. Okay. Now your exercise B also completed. You all will complete A and V exercise in your book. If you have any doubt or query, you can contact me or drop a message. Okay. Writing should be neat and clean. I will again with you to take the rest of the part. Complete your work on time. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.